Hello guys, it's Tech to the Hand here, back with another video. Samsung will officially present the Galaxy S21 FE in a dozen or so days. It is said that either on January 4th or January 11th 2022, although the first date seems more likely, because CES 2022 is held at that time, and the manufacturer has announced its presence at them. However, even before the premiere, the smartphone was stripped of its secrets. It is often the case that manufacturers, even before the official presentation of devices, send them to bloggers, testers and influencers, but with the proviso that they are not allowed to show them in public until a strictly defined date. Most often they can do it at the earliest at the beginning of the conference at which the company presents its new equipment to the world or right after it. However, there is also such a thing as controlled leakage. It's no secret that producers often themselves send known leaksters information about their new devices, and sometimes even pay for their availability. It is not known what these amounts are, but they are certainly lower than the costs of the official advertising campaign. However, it is not known what happened here, as it appeared on the HDblog YouTube channel First Impressions video about the Galaxy S21 FE, although the device has not yet been officially presented. It is not accidental, premature release, because the video has been available for several hours and still has not been taken off. That's all for now guys, please leave a like or a comment and subscribe for more content like this.